you're experiencing low performance on your Steam Deck, there are several simple steps you can take to enhance its performance. Follow this guide to optimize your device. Step 1. Update software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in your games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can help the device run games more smoothly. Step 3. Manage background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the Quick Access menu, and exit any apps that are not being used to free up system resources. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Adjust the power settings for better performance. Go to Settings, select Performance, and choose a power profile that prioritizes performance over battery life. This can help the device run more efficiently during gaming sessions. Step 5. Clean the device. Regularly clean your Steam Deck to prevent overheating. Use compressed air to remove dust from the vents and ensure proper airflow. Keeping the device cool can enhance performance and longevity. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the performance of your Steam Deck. Enjoy your gaming experience.